Hey guys, it's Chad from Dirtboard TV here. Today I'm going to show you how to take off your steering wheel, your factory steering wheel. You can put on an aftermarket one after we get the factory one off, but the reason I'm taking my factory steering wheel off is because it's not indexed properly. So that's the show for today. Hey YouTube. We're ready.
Music over this.
How many foot-pounds is that preload on there, Travis?
About 2 clicks.
The polar way you go. Okay guys, first thing to do is pop this piece off. I took it off with just a body molding tool. I have painted this. This is supposed to be the lime squeeze. As you can see a little bit maybe in here, but I painted it black. I just didn't like the way it looked. These are on here super tight. Do not use an air impact on this. It will mess up your, well, I don't know if it will, but it could mess up your electronic position steering. So let's see if we can get this off of there. It's coming. It is a nylock nut. That baby was Loctited on there good. Make sure you clean those threads off when you go to put it back on and Loctite it again. Sometimes you can just wiggle these out. Do not hit on this with a hammer. Another way some of the people are doing it is they're taking the whole steering shaft out, and then you can hit this with a dead blow mallet from the back side to get the steering wheel off. But it's just as easy. I purchased a steering wheel puller on Amazon. This one right here for $24.99. Let's see how it does. So unthread the puller here. Just start each bolt. Just get it started by hand. Make sure you're good. Try to run them down equally. Takes a 4mm Allen wrench. Try to do it as square as possible. Snug those down. Now we're going to use a 5/8. Seems like it let loose. I'm going to run these down a little bit more. Yep, that's all it took, boy. It was on there tight, but once it made that initial pull of that torque, look at that, right off. Okay, so to me that was well worth the $25. So my steering wheel was indexed wrong. Let's get this apart. So now if you wanted to put on your new aftermarket steering wheel, that would be when you would go ahead and clean these threads off and put it on. So I'm going to get a wire brush here and clean off these threads. There is a ton of Loctite on there, red Loctite, matter of fact. I'm going to put a dab of anti-seize on there. You know, a little bit of this goes a long ways. Okay, and with my wheels pointed straight, we're going to get the steering wheel back aligned on there. That looks much better. Straight up and down in the center. I'm not going to put red Loctite on here. I'm going to use blue because I'm probably going to have the steering wheel off again at some other time, maybe to replace it or who knows why, but and let's stick the nut back on. The inside of the nut is pretty clean, so we're going to have to thread that baby back on there. Sorry about the Fox update if you just heard that. Okay, I'm calling that good. I don't know the torque specs on that. You can look it up for yourself, but I like it. Let's install our cover piece back on. Fire her up. Okay, steering light is on, just went off on the ride command. Steering is working. Center the wheel. I'm centered on the wheel. Tires are centered down the road. So $25. So $25 for this little puller off of Amazon. I recommend it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this content, please subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell button so you can be notified anytime I release a new video. And I'm going to wrap this up, and then I'm going to go around and do a walk around of what I have on this thing right now and what's coming up on new videos. Thanks for watching, guys.